Hello, praise the Lord. I had promised that we will start with Psalmful reflections, and I'm starting with the first one. It is taken from Psalm 1, verses 1 and 2. As I already committed myself that I'll be reflecting these Psalm verses in context of being a nurse. How blessed is the one who does not follow the counsel of the wicked, nor take the way that sinners take, nor sits where the scoffers sit. Instead, he finds delight in the law of the Lord and meditates day and night on his law. How blessed are the nurses who do not follow the footsteps of their senior and their peer nurses, who might not be doing the right things with their patients, but finds delight in doing the best for their patients. Exactly what the Psalm verses are telling us. Nurses' duty time when spent in thinking and asking what is best for their patients, that itself is a meditation. Don't you think so? We are praising Lord our Creator through our actions, just being great nurses. Now, let me tell you a nursing story from the very day, the first day when I was interviewed for admission to nursing. I clearly remember Sister Stephanie, an American medical mission sister. She was the nun who was interviewing me, and she asked, "Child, why do you want to become a nurse?" And I smiled. I may be a little embarrassing smile, but I told that I am becoming a nurse because I cannot become a doctor. I said, I want to become a doctor. I do have a scholarship, but it is in Kerala. Now we have shifted to UP, and here I don't have scholarship, so my father cannot afford to send me for medicine because I have, 5 more siblings. So I don't want them to be robbed of their education if my father will spend everything in making me a doctor. So I thought the next best is the nurse. So that was, she again smiled. Then she touched me gently and she told me, "Child, remember, keep up this honesty. This will be greatly needed for a nurse." That is the first value I experienced as a nurse, and that has stood with me for my entire life. The value of being honest. And to that, I added the word integrity. Integrity is when I own up in case something has gone wrong without someone asking me. So, in today's context, integrity would mean I report any mistake that I might have done inadvertently, knowingly. Nobody comes to hospital saying, "Oh, today I am going to make a mistake." None of us step out of our homes saying that I'm going to do that. We want to do the best for our nurses. But we are humans, mistakes do happen, accidents can happen. But are we owning it up? Are we informing someone that I have made this mistake by mistake? That is integrity. Honesty is when someone chases me and asks me, "Have you done this mistake?" And then I say, "Yes, I'm sorry, I did the mistake." Integrity is a level up where I own up my own mistakes even before someone asks me. So that is the day one psalmful reflections of the verses, what did I say? Of 1 and 2 from Psalm 1. How blessed is the one who does not follow the counsel of the wicked, nor take the way that sinners take, nor sits where the scoffers sit. Instead, he finds delight in the law of the Lord and meditates day and night on his law. So, my friends, if you don't get time to sit alone and meditate, remember, nurses can convert their daily work into prayer and meditation. We just have to focus doing the right things for our patients. So that's it for today. Thank you for your time and stay blessed. Till next Sunday.